Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring Loft and Boss and the Boundary Boss. Which tool gives you more precise geometry? Both features look similar at first glance, but the way they control the shapes is different. In this video, we will explore the key difference between the Loft and Boundary Boss and see how each one works and figure out which one is best suited for different design situations. By the end, you will know exactly when to use Loft for quick transitions and when to switch to the boundary for smoother and more precise control over the surfaces. Now, why Boundary Boss is different? Because it gives us better control in two directions. It lets you define the curves continuity in both directions, giving you precise control over shape. Here we have two shapes, one is done with the loft and other is with boundary boss. By looking them, it's hard to differentiate between them. But if we turn on the zebra stripes, then we observe the difference in pattern and geometry, although we have used the same sketch for both. So you might be wondering why there is a difference between them. This is because the better control in boundary boss. It provides bidirectional control. Now, if we go back to sketch, and now first let's use the loft feature. It is done using two profile and two guide curves. You select the two profile and then you select the guide curves. Now, if you observe the shape, there is a kind of wrapping effect, like the geometry is not clean and there are many deformations. And if we take the similar case, this time with boundary boss, then there are two direction options available, direction 1 and direction 2. In direction 1, we are using same sketches as we have done in loft. But instead of the guide curves, we have direction 2. Unlike loft, which mainly follow the profile direction, boundary allows you to guide the shape in a second direction. This means you can influence how the geometry flows, not just between the profile, but also across them. The second direction helps to prevent the unwanted bulges, twists, and flat spots by distributing the curvature evenly in both directions, which is missing in case of guide curves in loft. In simple terms, the direction 1 controls how the surface flows from one profile to another, while in direction 2, it controls stretch across the profile. Together, they let you to get the perfect geometry with more precision than the loft can offer. Now, the biggest difference between them that make the boundary boss more superior than loft. The boundary boss, unlike loft, allows you to choose the portion of your profile. Like you want up to this portion of the profile instead of the complete profile. Just simply select the area like this and then when you are done, click OK. And that's it. Basically, this is not possible in loft. You cannot select the portion of profile in loft. This makes the boundary boss more superior than the loft feature. So now, you know the key difference between the loft and boundary boss in SOLIDWORKS. Remember, the loft is perfect for simple, quick transitions, while the boundary gives you advanced control, smoother surface, and higher precision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS tutorials. And don't forget to check out my other videos to continue sharpen your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.